How to prevent and control communicable diseases. We can stop communicable diseases from spreading by taking care of ourselves and our surroundings. Drink filtered or boiled water. Let the water boil for at least 15 minutes. Eliminate stagnant water around your house to prevent mosquito breeding. Keep food covered and avoid eating exposed food items. Cover garbage bins to prevent pests. Use separate personal items for patients and do not share them. Use your own towel and handkerchief. Wash hands with soap before eating. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or handkerchief when you sneeze or cough. Drink pasteurized milk or boil it thoroughly before drinking. Avoid direct contact with patients with highly contagious diseases like chickenpox or measles. Vaccination helps boost immunity against diseases like chickenpox, hepatitis, poliomyelitis, and tetanus. Ways to prevent food poisoning. Food poisoning can make us feel sick, but we can take some simple steps to avoid it. Wash everything. Always wash our hands with soap and water before and after touching food. We should also wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly before eating them. Cook food properly. Make sure to cook meat, poultry, and eggs all the way through so that any harmful germs are killed. Store food safely. Keep raw and cooked foods separate in the refrigerator and make sure to store leftovers properly to prevent spoilage. Check expiry dates. Always check the expiry dates on food packaging and avoid eating anything that is past its due date. Drink clean water. Drink water that has been boiled or filtered to ensure it is safe. Did you know? Vaccines help our bodies develop immunity against diseases. They are made from a weakened or inactive form of the germ that causes the disease, or sometimes just a small part of it. When we get a vaccine, our body learns to recognize the germ and create special fighters called antibodies to destroy it. So, if we ever encounter the real germ in the future, our body is already prepared and can quickly fight it off, preventing us from getting sick. Vaccines are a safe and effective way to protect ourselves and others from many serious diseases, such as polio, measles, tetanus, and COVID-19. Non-communicable diseases. Diseases that are not typically caused by infectious agents and do not spread from person to person are called non-communicable diseases. They may be caused by nutrient deficiency, age-related problems, or metabolic disorders. These diseases can be broadly categorized into the following groups. Nutritional deficiency diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus. Organ malfunction diseases like diabetes and heart attack. Cancer of various organs like lung and blood. Degenerative diseases like osteoarthritis. Allergies like asthma and hives. Bites and stings. Nutritional deficiency diseases. Many diseases occur when a person does not eat enough food or a balanced diet. When the body lacks any nutrient, it is known as malnutrition. Diseases caused by a lack of one or more nutrients are called deficiency diseases. These diseases make a person weak and sick. Malnutrition slows the growth of children and leads to mental and physical disabilities. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats deficiency. A lack of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats leads to protein energy malnutrition. Children between the ages of 1–5 years are most affected by this condition. These children do not grow in height and weight. Diseases caused by protein energy malnutrition include kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor develops when children do not get enough proteins in their diet during infancy and early childhood. Symptoms include swollen feet, thin legs, a protruding abdomen, thinning hair, bulging eyes, stunted growth, frequent diarrhea, and mental retardation. Marasmus occurs in children less than 1 year old when their diet lacks proteins and carbohydrates. Symptoms include a lean and weak body, dry and wrinkled skin, protruding ribs, and mental retardation. Vitamin deficiency. Vitamins are essential for the normal functioning of our body. When the body lacks vitamins, it leads to various diseases. Some of these diseases and their sources are listed in the following table. Vitamin deficiency disease. Symptoms, sources. Vitamin A, night blindness, poor vision in dim light, dry eyes, papaya, mangoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, fish and eggs. Vitamin B1, beriberi, weak muscles, nerve damage, whole grains, rice, eggs. Vitamin B12, anemia, fatigue, nerve damage, memory loss, meat, fish, dairy products, eggs. Vitamin C, scurvy, bleeding gums, weak immunity, citrus fruits, strawberries, broccoli, leafy vegetables. Vitamin D, rickets, weak bones, bone deformities, sunlight, fish, fortified dairy products. Vitamin E, skin and reproductive system is affected. Skin might become dry and rough. Wheat germ, milk, fish, meat, vegetable oil. Vitamin K, blood clotting issues. Excessive bleeding, leafy green vegetables, soybean, fish,